It's my great honour to talk to you today about Moorfields. It's one of the oldest and biggest eye hospitals in the world, and it's built a reputation for excellence in eye care since 1805 when we were first founded. And allied to our excellence in delivering eye care to our patients is the education and research that we provide and facilitate here.
One of our great strengths is that not only are we very experienced in the online teaching, the lecture-based teaching, but we can blend that with teaching with real patients. We've got a large number of patients who are very, very keen to come back in and share their experiences and to help train the next generation of clinicians.
We have short courses in CPD for ophthalmologists, GPs, medics. They're really exciting because you're going to be taught by the thought leaders, the innovators, the people who are really defining the field of ophthalmology.
So one of the reasons I find teaching here so fulfilling is that we're fortunate to have students and trainees from all across the world. So we feel that through our teaching and our activities, we're not just benefiting the patients we manage, but patients globally.
We're very passionate about training the future generation of eye care professionals and scientists so that we can meet these challenges of the future.